doing good? I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at one of the best time tracking platforms, as I will be showing you how to use Tmetric. Tmetric is the perfect platform for individuals looking to improve their productivity. It can also be used by business owners and managers that manage teams and would like to improve their team's productivity and use of time, and you can also use it to assign tasks and different features for team members. This in turn will help you to increase or improve your billing and invoicing. As you can see right here, if we were to get a quick glance of their features, you can use it for time tracking, team management, billing and invoicing, task management, time off, and project management. There are so many features. And what I also love about this platform is you can get started for completely free, as they offer a 30-day free trial period. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. All you'll need to do is enter your email address, then tap on Get Started. Once you have entered your email address, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. Once on this page, you can tap on Create Your Workspace. After you have tapped on Create Your Workspace, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can enter your company's name. So I'm just going to be calling my company Jason Test. After you have done that, you can select your team size. Once you have done that, you can choose to generate a demo data. Just for example's sake, I will be doing that. After doing that, you can tap on Create. So I'm going to tap No right there, and I'm going to tap on Create. After you have tapped on Create, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see Integrate Time Tracking into your workflow. And from here, you can choose whether you would like to install a browser extension, but I'm going to skip this step for now. So I'll tap on Skip this step. Once you have tapped on Skip this step, you will be redirected to this page. And at the moment, this is how our dashboard looks. If you would like to connect a calendar, you can do that quite quickly by selecting Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar from the top menu option. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do once you're on your Tmetric dashboard is invite team members. Now, to do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Team. After you have tapped on Team, from here you can see the sample team members that we have at the moment. Now, to invite team members, you'll go down right where you see Workspace from the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on Members. Then you're going to tap on the plus where you see Invite Members, and from here you can input their email address. Then you will tap on Send Email, and that is how you'll be able to invite team members. After you have invited team members, all you'll need to do now, and by the way, these are some sample team members, as remember that I had toggled on the demo. Once you have invited team members, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Tasks. After you have tapped on Tasks, from here you'll be able to add a new task by tapping on New Task. Then you'll be able to input the task name. So let's say, for example, I'll just input test. After you have done that, you can write a task name right here, or you can decide who you would like to share the task to. So you could tap here and you'll see the different team members that you can share the task to. And then you can also add a quick description, so you could go into detail what the task is about. Then you can also set the estimated timeline. And after you have done that, if you would like to add any tags or so on, you can do that. Once they have completed the task, they'll be able to mark it as complete, as you can see right here. And if you'd like to share it, you can tap on Share right here, and you'll be able to copy the URL and share it. Now, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, from here you could tap on My Work. After you have tapped on My Work, at the top, you will be able to see all of your current tasks right here. You will also be able to see the due tasks, so you can see the tasks that you need to complete right there. And you can tap on Time from the top left-hand corner. After you have tapped on Time, from here, you'll be able to add time entry. So you can tap on Add Time Entry right there. Then from here, you could describe your task, and you can also select the project and you can set up the start time and end time, and this will allow you to set up a bill or invoice if you're a freelancer that you can quickly send to a customer. Now, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can tap on reports, and from here you'll be able to see project summary, task summary, team summary, and so on. You can also see their app usage. As you can see right here, this is just a sample example. So if we were to tap on, for example, John Todd, you will be able to view his app usage. So you can see Google Chrome, and you can see that he has been using that for 2 hours and 51 minutes, and so on. You can see the breakdown. You can tap on activity, and you can further see a breakdown right here based on time. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more and tap on projects, you can see a sample project right here. So I can give you a quick example of how it looks. So this is how a sample project would look, as you can see right here. And you can also see the invoices, and by the way, you can create a new invoice by tapping on new invoice right here. From here, you'll be able to select or input a client. After you have done that, you can select the invoice type, whether by person hours, by project hours, or by task hours. Then after you have done that, you can tap on save to save it, and then you'll be able to share it. You can also add clients by tapping on clients from the left hand menu option. You could tap on new client, then input the client's name and address, as you can see right there. You can also set up time off policies, and you can also view requests from your team members, as you can see right here. And there's a new beta feature, which is the timesheets. So you can tap on timesheets, and from here you'll be able to view their timesheet, as you can see right here. So you can see the timesheet, for example, for John Todd. And you can scroll down and you can see different features. You could tap on the settings and you could further alter the settings. So you can also use Tmetric to take screenshots. So you could tap on activity and screenshots, and from here you'll be able to view your screenshots if you have taken any in the past. So you can see it right there. You could select screenshots and you'll be able to view it. So you can take screenshots. You can also set up manual time editing, and you can also set up mobile time editing, and so on. There are numerous features when it comes on to this platform, which is why I would recommend it if you have a large team or large remote team that you would like to monitor. You can definitely use this platform. And if you would like to go onto their paid plan, you can see that it starts off at $4 per month and it goes up to $5, and this is per user, by the way, as you can see right here. With their free plan, you will be able to use it with up to 5 users. But if you're a professional company or a freelancer and you have a team that you're monitoring, I would definitely recommend that you go onto the business plan. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, as this was a quick overview of the Tmetric platform and how to use it.